Hello, hello, and welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. Got another test question. If the base of a triangle is 7 feet and the area is 70 square feet, what is the height of the triangle? What is the height of a triangle? Is it A, 10 feet, B, 100 feet, C, 20 feet, or D, 200 feet? All right, let's take a quick visualization of some of the facts. Now, the triangle I'm showing you here is not drawn to scale. So here I wanted to kind of show you a triangle and label the base and then label the height and show you the formula. So the formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Now, if you're not familiar with this, anytime you have a value or a variable, which is a letter B, letter H, right next to each other, that means multiplication, right? So to follow through with this area formula, you're going to multiply 1/2 times the base times the height. Or another way to write the area of a triangle is to simplify it a little bit further, right? We multiply it with fractions, top to top and bottom to bottom, right? So 1 times 1b times 1h is 1bh, right? Or that invisible one I've talked about. Check out my videos if you haven't seen my videos on invisible ones. It clarifies so much. So in the denominator's place underneath the b and the h, there's an invisible one. So 2 times 1 is 2. So this area, b times h, or base times height, divided by 2, is just a simplified version of the formula you see up here. You can use either version of the area of a triangle formula. In fact, a little later I'll show you this version up here because it's a good time to review how to multiply with fractions. But I'll be getting into that a little bit later. So here is our triangle. Again, this is the base, and here is the height. In the word problem, the test question, they give us the value of the base, which is 7 feet. So I can substitute 7 where you see the B. And later on in the formula, I'll also be substituting a 7 for the B in the formula. They do not give us the height in the test question. So that's a question mark or a variable, an unknown value, right? And the area is given in that test question, 70 square feet or feet squared, just as you see here. Okay, so what you see here is I've just substituted the value of the base, which is 7 feet. I'm indicating, again, the area is 70 feet squared, and the h, or the height, is unknown. All right, so this concludes the part 1 video in answering this test question. In part 2, I'd like to go over how to use substitution properties, substitute values into the area formula in order to solve this particular problem. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Please like, follow, and share these videos.